I've heard a few things since I started the vlog is, why don't you show more woodworking? That's not really what I'm doing it for. There are billions and billions and billions, maybe not billions, millions, thousands, I don't know, woodworking channels to go find. I mean, there's guys on there that was telling you step-by-step process how to take the sandpaper out of the drawer to use it. And it's just, that's a small niche that I don't want to get into. Like, if I'm looking for a specific task, I'm going to search that task on YouTube. Like, that's what everyone does. They search what they're looking for. Like, with me, I just want to create a fun page that shows my day-to-day. You know, for the most part, I'm doing this for like 50 years down the road. Like, when my grandkids can go back and watch it. And that is so cool to me to think that that's going to be out there somewhere for them to find. And that's really all the thought I put into it. And it's fun. I enjoy doing this. I wouldn't enjoy sitting here editing 20 hours of woodworking. Like, it's so fun for me to go back on my day and edit it and change it and see what I did and see how interesting I can make my day. But it's fun for me. Doing a woodworking video vlog strictly on work, that would not be fun with me. I need to leave this out here when I go inside to edit. Obviously, I'm bringing a little bit into the vlog. Otherwise, it wouldn't make a whole lot of sense and be very boring with just like me and my family. But for the most part, it's just what I do all day. I'm just trying to keep it that way. So I really hope you guys are liking it. I love doing it regardless. So anyways.
Heat in my vein like vernacular. Cook up the beat with a spatula. Y'all are not ready for action. I'm smoking these rappers and feeling spectacular. Making it killing like massacre. Watch out, I'm whipping my wrist. Right on my city, been pissed, but I show them love. I'm not the one that's at risk. My homie told me that when people rise up against you, it's a sign of your destiny real. Fake ones been hating cause they know that one day you're making it. Jealousy's all they can feel. Plugging the phone, drifting my zone. Painting the future and thinking alone. About when I'm grown, already blown. How'd I get blessed with this beautiful home? You were the sight, beautiful life. Beautiful children, people who want to come kill me because I'm expressing my rights. Hopefully I am not smoking the nicotine pack up again. Now my name come up like no discussion. That's all day. Man, I say y'all bluffing. Interrupt your formal introduction. But I was born to win. Look at the spot that I'm in. Wendy Dapperton. If you confused, you welcome to play this again. I'ma learn this in. Let go, let God do the rest. All of my life been a test. Don't know what's next and I don't give a fuck who the best.
I cut these aprons this week for this table. It's got a beaded edge. This will go like this on the table. But instead of running my router all the way deep, I left it so it's more flat instead of that rounded bead look. And it was honestly by mistake. I really mean to do it. I was just going to step it in so it wasn't biting off so much at once. But once I saw it, I thought, you know what? It's different. It's flat. I really like it. So these are sanded. They're ready for dominoes. I've got to sand these table legs like we talked about before. They're salvaged off of another job. They're going to work just fine once everything's painted up. Maybe I can get this framed up today, but if I just get clean today, get set for my week, I'll be golden. You ain't welcome here, boy. Get back on. Is there another game on?
No.
March Madness is ruined! I waited all year for Duke. Thanks for coming out to the shop. If you'll remember back in vlog 11, I was taking this table apart. And now I'm using it. This is now. Now it's real time. Oh, just got home. Birthday's tomorrow. So getting some birthday letters in the mail. This one's for my grandma Mary, which is like a total like old school, hardest handwriting to read ever. Like I instantly go like this. It was super meaningful. Thank you, Grandma Mary. And that's Landon's. Landon's birthday is the 28th. Mine is the 27th, which is tomorrow. So yes, tonight we're going to clean out the garage so I can store some wood in there. The shop's just too tight to store a lot of lumber in. It just doesn't work. So we're going to clean out the garage, stack a bunch of wood in there. That probably won't touch for a while. So yeah, that's tonight's. So I try pretty hard to have like some sort of theme or like something going on, but on this one there really wasn't, so sorry. But the next one will be better. Just wait for the next one.